In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a notification email template for your form. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional email that alerts you whenever someone submits your form, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening the form you want to work with and click on Edit Form. This takes you into the form builder, where you can confirm you've selected the correct form and quickly scan that the fields you care about are present. It's a good moment to make sure you have the necessary permissions to update notifications, since some platforms limit access to these settings. Next, go to Settings. You'll usually find this in a top menu or a left-hand sidebar. The Settings area controls behavior that applies to the entire form, and that's exactly where email notifications live. We'll stay focused on the email portion and avoid changing anything unrelated, like submission limits or form availability. Inside Settings, click on Emails. This section groups all email-related options, including notifications sent to you or your team, and in many platforms, separate autoresponders sent to the person who filled out the form. We're working on the internal notification you receive after each submission. Now click on Notification Email. This opens the configuration panel for the email you'll get when a response is submitted. If there are multiple notification types, choose the one labeled for administrators or owners rather than a responder message. It's time to set up the email template. Start with a clear subject line that helps you identify the form and action at a glance, such as New Submission Received. Many builders let you insert placeholders, sometimes called merge tags, to pull in dynamic details like the form name, the submitter's first name, or a ticket number. Then set the sender name and the from or reply to address so replies go to a monitored inbox. Add the recipient addresses for everyone who needs to be notified and keep the list current to prevent missed alerts. In the message body, include the most important fields so you can quickly triage the submission. Use simple, readable formatting and avoid including sensitive personal data or passwords. If the platform supports HTML, keep the layout clean and mobile friendly. Consider adding a direct link to view the full submission in your dashboard for quick follow-up. After that, click on Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were applied and you're done. To recap, edit your form, open settings, go to emails, select notification email, set up the template, and save. This straightforward setup ensures you're promptly and clearly notified every time someone submits your form.